Okay, hey y'all. So you know when I got this hoodie on. Sorry y'all, I'm looking real good. I have done nothing today. So you know when I got this hoodie on, that means I got a new package. So we got a package in there. Mind you, y'all, I was waiting on this package forever. Okay. But no, it's from that y'all. No offense to the seller. The seller was great with communicating. My original color got stuck in customs, but Reebok is here. And if you remember, that's the same seller I got this from. This has been my everyday, actually. So we're gonna do two things. In this bag, this is a real bag, by the way. We have, I don't know if you can see it. We have charms. So in this video, we're going to, if I'm looking, I cannot see myself. We're gonna unbox this, see how it is, then swap and decorate. If that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. So, let's unbox it. Let's see what it looks like. So it comes like this. I think the style that I had, work smarter, not harder. Grab food. I think it is something. Don't get me wrong. I'm near of being MM. I'm trying to show y'all real quick too. Cause I had ordered it in the chocolate color. It comes with the, okay. Not mad at it, cause I mean, no matter what bag you have, please take care of your bags, cause you spend your coins on it. Okay, this is cute. I thought it was gonna be a little bit bigger, but I don't mind it, cause this is as big as I like. It has the feet, has the handle, which I'm gonna have to break in, cause I wanted to slouch. It has the big hooks, which I like, cause we're decorating the bag today. I hope y'all can hear me. I hope this mic is working. So this is the handle. I like it. And just in time for my birthday, do you hear me? I have to tie this on. It doesn't have like a bad smell. Of course, you know it's from that app, so it doesn't have a bad smell. It's a tolerable smell, but for me, I still am going to spray it and put like towels in it. So I'll decorate it. Oh, it has hints of the yellow in it. I'm just now realizing it. Or am I tripping? No, I'm not tripping. So let me see. It has the hardware, the little tag on the inside. Yeah. Yeah. So let me show y'all what's in this other bag, because I don't want this video to. I have a couch. I'm a couch. Let me show y'all. Okay. So bag is empty. Oh yeah, I gotta see if I'm still recording, because this is one of those things. Me. Okay, I'm still recording. Good. So this is my main couch. This is what I have. The couch in the back. This fits every purse that I have besides the small one. This is actually inside my purse that I carry in every. Yeah. So, our holder. And no, I don't carry around the bathroom. If you know, you know. And then I found wrong alphabet tea. It's in there as my hand lotion. I never go anywhere without spending. Now that I got 30, it be hot. So this is a must. It blows very strong, and I haven't charged it, which I probably will need to charge this. But it's so small. It's so funny. It's so small. Outside of that, the AirPods are a must. I have got this little Chanel pouch, and in it is some hand sanitizer and cuticle serum, which I don't have my nails done right now. And I lost my AirPod, so I had my phone ones, which these are gonna be on backup. Actually, will not come back in my bag. And this one is the couch, and then I have the couch that went. So being 30 is hilarious. So I take around the floor, you know, they got all the painkillers, heartburn. Actually, this is too big, but being is too big. Like too fat. And then I have another pouch. And this pouch has like sanitary napkins. I have a perfume. I have some wet things. I have flushable wipes, Kleenex, and like I said, sanitary pads. And then I have a sample of the Louis Vuitton perfume, which I'm gonna clean all this out eventually once I switch. And then in here, this is like my lip pouch or like self-care pouch. I have like my lip gloss, lipstick. I have a Tide to Go pen. So this gonna be switched out too. So let's start decorating the bag, and then I'll show you the finished product. And tall like me. I think I did that wrong. I'm gonna give y'all a better shot. Hold on. This is what she looks like. I love it. So that's it, y'all. That's all. And y'all won't see me buying another bag because I'm gonna buy and freeze, okay? But again, shop smarter, not harder. You'll eventually get the bag you want. And then if you buy it for cheap, you know what I'm saying? You can try it out and then go get the real one. No harm done. I'll see y'all later.